Never thought I'd see a freestyle out here. Not quite sure why it's here, but huh. Go for it. Now remember guys, it was already broken. Okay, so first step, remove the door handle. Oh yeah, we're doing a door handle replacement on a 01 Kia Sephia. We're actually removing this handle. And the piece we want is that right there. Now it's easiest to use a towel to get the clip. You know, you can just break that handle off there.
Yeah, look at that thing.
That's the stack you're talking about, right?
Oh my god, yeah, that's a stack.
I like how we passed all the Kias, but didn't see this black one here.
It's right in front of our face.
Oh, by the way, his check engine light hasn't come on yet. It stayed off.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Damn, look at that thing.
Yeah, break that shit off.
Now it's coming out.
Oh yeah, that autofocus is really working pretty good. Holy shit, look at, you can see all like the dirt and stuff.
Oh, inside of it?
Yeah. Oh yeah, and then you got a cross point and the little cup holder there. Oh yeah, that's like the rust in there. You gotta use that good one that I bought at the cheap Chinese store.
There we go.
Yeah, and those like to rust in there really good. Yeah, freaking work it.
Still water in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Down at the bottom? Oh, if you need a headliner, there's only one stain in it. It's only a blood stain from when somebody was popping their zit. I like how they put this in the... They put Ford on it. I don't know. Oh, he's leveling the playing field. That came off pretty good. Okay. Oh, so the screws at the bottom are gone too?
Taking care of business!
So there's just 3 cross points that hold it on. Oh, it even has the spring that broke on his. Man, we're gonna fix this shit up good.
I'm gonna take the whole thing.
Yeah, we want the whole bracket because it's got a new spring and everything. Should call him up and be like, hey, you want that new door handle? And we need to get the one from the inside too.
Oh yeah.
Or the outside, we might as well. It's the same freaking handle. Yeah. Could always use extra hardware.
See, this is how one of these clips are supposed to be taken off. Nice and gently.
Yeah, and then you pull it down. That's the same as the Chrysler ones. Is it the clip you're talking about for the door handle? head's in the way. just bend the rod.
There we go.
Oh yeah, they use that really gooey shit. I kind of like that better than the adhesive stuff. Because it re-sticks on there. It's not like the Dodge and the Ford where they just use like an adhesive. This stuff they use like freaking tar. Yeah. Okay.
Stag is what's in it. Oh, where's that broken handle?
Oh yeah, you're gonna need the broken handle to run. If not, hey, you know what? I got channel locks.
A little bit easier.
Oh, that's. Oh yeah, you can see how cheap that is. That handle still works. I thought we broke the shit out of it.
Yep.
Broken and still works.
Need sockets. Do you have the socket kit?
Oh, it's on the trunk. And so it looks like there's what, 2 bolts on the
Yep, 10 millimeters.
Here, watch out, I'm gonna get a shot in there. Damn it. Move back. There should be one back there. There's one right here, and I think they're 10 millimeters. And all the clips undo just like the rest of them. I can see the dog hair on your jacket from here.
Yeah.
Zoomed out. This thing only had 100,000 on it.
That's pretty low mileage. It should be on here.
Oh, it could have gone 135. It was an automatic. Oh, don't forget to undo the clips.
I will. I'm taking it out.
We don't need the door lock if that's what kind of fell down. I actually didn't really fall down, it just came undone. That's not a big
It
deal.
comes right out of the slot.
Is that the door lock thing at the bottom?
Yeah, this is the door locker.
Yeah, we don't need that.
I'm not taking it.
I just want.
But there's a key probably right here. Whoops. There?
There's no key.
All right, we're done.
Well, Matt, here's your new handle. It's black. We just paint it pink for him.
I'll sand it down and paint it pink for him.
Oh,
Give him a buzz and be like, hey, you want that handle installed? We kind of got it. Look at the speakers in the door.
oh yeah, he's got. What the hell are those? Double O's. And they look how they screwed them in. They fucked up the surround.
Yeah, they did.
Ah, man. Oh, we got him a handle. Yeah, I'll give him a call. These don't even look cracked.
Dump all the bolts in the bag.
Yeah. Well, I got them in my thing.
Okay.
Yeah, right. So, now let's go put it on the car.